welcome back to both channels and welcome to TikTok as well as YouTube. And today I am doing an experiment with deckchair dreaming. Chloe's making something else.
No.
Chloe's making garlic butter.
Garlic butter and it's one blob or two.
Yeah. And so I'm doing an experiment with deckchair dreaming.
And
that's I'm going to the next video. And I'm doing so me in me Bob.
tea infuser.
Me Jim.
Me Jim.
My Jim. Yeah, get your B&B onto the
Bagels.
What are you doing?
I'm trying bagels.
I want to sit down if you don't do that.
Might.
So I'm doing that. I might put one more in. Do you level it or do you heat? I do heat. And now, this is the experiment part. We're going to try it with dietcola.
Oh yes.
This is going to be different, guys. It's going to be different. I'll be back when it's done. Now it's done. It's time for the taste test. So take the lid off. You remove that. Anything left in there will go in there. Have a taste test. There we go. It actually worked. Oh my god. It actually blinking worked. You try a bit, Chloe.
Hello. So this is deckchair dreaming.
Yeah. Cola. It worked. It worked. Thank you for watching. We'll see you later. Yeah.